Right, hello everybody and welcome back to TMG Trades. It's been a week since I've made a video on this channel because I've had an awful illness, but I'm back now. If you're wondering what the illness was, I have no idea, some kind of chest infection-y thing. I may cough a few times throughout today's video because I'm still not 100%, but we are getting there. And of course, Bitcoin can't wait. It's been a really interesting time while I've been off, and I honestly cannot wait to get back to it. Now, when it comes to the current price of Bitcoin right now, we've seen, this is Steppen, by the way, I'm watching it because I'm an investor in Steppen, and Steppen's been going insanely well. It's up 217 times since my entry. But when it comes to the current price of Bitcoin, as you can see, currently trading at $41,650. Now, are we expecting Bitcoin's price to continue up in this trajectory? Because, to be honest, things look really good right now. If I were to go over to the 4-hour chart and show you kind of the analysis that we last conducted on the channel, I said, look, wait for the bounce. When we experience the bounce at these levels, it's quite likely that Bitcoin's price from here literally just kind of goes back up to where it's been in the past. And this would take Bitcoin's price back up to around $48,000 to $49,000. Now, breaking above those levels, that opens up new all-time highs again. But essentially, we're looking at this bounce right now, and we've seen similar things in the past where Bitcoin's dipped below, significantly bounced back to the upside, dipped below, significantly bounced back to the upside, dipped below, significantly bounced back to the upside. And I was pointing out previously how many times that we've been oversold. Every time we go oversold, we then get overbought. Oversold, overbought, oversold, overbought, oversold, overbought. Now, we're watching for this to go overbought first time round. We sometimes go overbought a few times on the 4-hour, but this is a trend that, to be honest, is looking really nice when it comes to the price of Bitcoin. You can see we have this kind of bullish momentum going on here. We're about to go bullish again on the daily chart. The weekly chart remains bullish. Yes, we remain bullish on the weekly chart, so everything's looking really good. When it comes to Ethereum right now, we're also looking at Ethereum and going, well, they were also bullish on the weekly chart on Ethereum. If we go to the hourly chart for Ethereum, everything is looking fantastic again. In terms of what to do right now, longing. This is all I'm doing right now. I'm longing Bitcoin, I'm longing Ethereum, and of course, if you are interested in trading, you'll find links and information to exchanges in today's video description. If you sign up for Prime XPT, you get $7,000 for free. If you sign up to bybit, you get $3,500 for free. Both of them work as deposit bonuses, but yes, you'll only get that if you use the links in today's video description. Now, yes, what am I doing personally? I'm longing the markets. What are my entry levels and exit levels for my current open trades? You can actually see in my eye the blood from having a horrible week this past week. Now, when it comes to my entry and exit levels on Ethereum, if we break above this level of resistance, it is currently sitting, if we plot a level of resistance, currently sitting at $3,140. Break above $3,140, well, the next target for me on Ethereum would be around these levels right here. So that would be a significant jump up in price again. Do I really expect that to happen in the short term? No. It's more likely at this point in time that we're getting towards the top of these levels here. We probably get rejected a little bit off it and then bounce back to the upside. So I'm really looking to go long at these levels around here again, which would basically put my entry for my next long position somewhere around $3,080. So if I can snag an entry around $3,080, I'll be a very happy boy. And if we go over to the 4-hour chart, let's just double check that theory plays out. Yeah, that's all looking good. Now, if we go back over to Bitcoin, I can show you the entry and exit levels for the current price of Bitcoin. If we drop over to the 1-hour chart again. Now, a similar story on Bitcoin, although Bitcoin is currently trading above this resistance level. We're not trading above, it's technically a level of resistance. Now, if we're trading above this level of resistance, but we're trading below the next one, so the next target for Bitcoin would currently sit at $42,200. So we'd be expecting that to hit, to be honest, and then a rejection from there. And then I would be looking to re-long Bitcoin again at the level of around $41,200. Now, if we can long $41,200, I'll be expecting a significant bounce back to the upside. But to be honest, this market is not looking like a market that you want to short. I don't think that shorting this market right now would end well. And I'm just going to show you what Bitcoin futures is looking like right now when it comes to the funding rates that we discuss on the channel on a regular basis, because the funding rates tell us a lot about what's going on with Bitcoin. And as you can see, negative, which is indicating There's a lot of trapped short positions right now in the market, and those trapped short positions are going to have to close because Bitcoin's price is going bullish again and everything is on the mend. Now, of course, if you are interested in trading, don't forget links and information to exchanges are in today's video description. Like exchanges, the best one, in my opinion, is probably Bybit. And I trade on Bybit. I've traded on Bybit for years now. Never had a problem with it, always kind of made money on trading doing it, but that's not to say that you'll make money trading doing it. I would imagine that you'll probably lose money the first few times because nobody enters into the world of trading as instantly an expert. That's just that's not something that you can ever do. But in order to make money, you must learn how to make money, and basically the best way to learn how to make money from trading, there we go. The best way to learn how to make money from trading is to actually just start trading and learn it by doing it and learning from your mistakes. That's the best way to learn. Always the best way to learn. So on that note, guys, thank you all very much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, slap a like on it, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.